Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade toaster strudels. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and prepare a baking sheet. Work with chilled puff pastry and keep your fillings thick rather than runny. Cut rectangles about 5 inches by 4 inches, spoon filling in the center, fold and crimp edges tightly with a fork, brush with egg wash, and bake until golden, about 15 minutes. For fillings, choose options that hold shape and flavor under heat. Fruit jams, pastry cream, and sweetened cream cheese each give different textures and sweetness levels. If using berries, toss with a little cornstarch to prevent runniness and maintain structure. Add lemon zest or vanilla for brightness, and taste before sealing so your strudels bake with balanced sweetness and bold flavor notes that pop through the flaky layers. Assemble strudels on a floured surface and space them on the baking sheet to allow expansion. Brush edges with egg wash for color and a light sprinkle of coarse sugar if desired. Bake until puffed and golden, then cool completely before glazing so the icing sets properly. To store, freeze unbaked strudels on a tray, then transfer to a bag, bake from frozen and add a few extra minutes to the cook time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.